Okay, the other video I wanted to show you is the inspiration maps. So this is a graphic organizer, outline, mapping, diagram, all of the above app. So I'm gonna open that up, and what you'll see is all of this. So some of these are samples of other students, but when you open up the templates, you can either start your own diagram, or there's a lot of awesome templates to choose from, and just scrolling so you can kind of get an idea of how many there are, and kind of based on different like science and English. So depending on history, what you're working on, there's different templates available to give you a little bit of a head start. But just so you get an idea of how it works, I'll just open up a blank diagram. So what you'll see is this, and it's very easy to use. I feel like it looks a little scarier than it is, but it's pretty user friendly. So if I was going to write about dogs, oops. So I'm going to start with that, and what I can also do is on the top you'll see once again I have some options. I can add pictures, I can change the type of bubble that I want to use. So you have some customization options that really help with just the motivation, and that being able to organize it the way that you want. But you can see all these pictures in here, and then if you don't see any of the pictures that you want, there's all these categories. You can also take a picture, you can pull a picture from the web, or whatever you need to do to help with that diagram. So now I picked dogs, and I'm going to start with saying, loyal. So they're loyal, and then I'm gonna say best friend. So that's another idea for me to do for a sentence, and then I'm gonna go back here. So you can see it's really easy to use. And then if I wanted to start a new arrow here, a new idea, I'm also gonna put let's say funny. And then I can put, that they do tricks that are funny, and they make funny noises. I'm trying to be creative here, but so you get the idea with that. And then you can either type it in there, or you can use the speech to text on the iPad, so you don't even have to type it in there. You can just get those ideas flowing and out. And then let's say I was done, if this is what I wanted to do for now. If I tap on the top left, I can also put it in an outline format, which is kind of nice. So then I can work off of this. So here I can say, instead of tricks, now I can really create my sentences, and I'll have like this nice outline format to work off of. They do great tricks, period. Okay, and then I can just hit the bubbles and go back there. So you can see I still have this to work off of. I can make a little note here if I wanted to, a little post-it reminder for myself. And again, you can add the pictures, and then you can also share this document, right? So now you have the options. Once again, you can mail this, you can print it, you can send it to a cloud. So if you wanted to work further on it in the outline format in the Google Docs, or a different application, you can do that as well. So you have some options here to do that and expand. So I think it's a really good app to help get your thoughts and ideas organized in a fun way. I've seen it do a lot of good for students, so I just thought it might be something useful for him.